Unfortunately, more Americans are using their 401k's for financial emergencies. I'm sure some will disagree with me based on the headlines arguing they were so happy that they had their 401k to tap for whatever their financial emergency was. But in my opinion, people are thinking short term and not thinking about the long-term crisis when they retire in 20 or 30 years and then might be living at the poverty level because their 401k was not large enough to generate a decent income and Social Security was far less than they thought it would be. I also want people to understand, based on how fast medical technology is moving, in 20 to 30 years, you may be spending more time in retirement than the 20 years or so that you were working. The numbers are frightening when I look at them, and I have wished many times that the 401k would eliminate the ability to access funds before retirement like the old pension plans from companies. According to Vanguard, 2024 saw a record of 4.8% of workers that took a hardship distribution for a financial emergency. This is more than double the 2% level in 2019, and even more frightening was nearly 33% of people decided to take and cash in their 401k when they changed jobs in spite of the fact of paying taxes and penalties, as opposed to just rolling that retirement over into an IRA rollover or their new 401k plan. Congress, in their infinite wisdom, has made it more easy to qualify for withdrawals from 401k's for emergencies. I believe the Congress that set up the 401k in 1978 under the Revenue Act of 1978 did not envision the rating of 401k's for emergencies. I'm pretty confident in 1978 Congress felt this would be a great retirement plan for all Americans, not an emergency fund to pay off debt. I highly recommend, before people take any money out of the 401k, talk to a real financial professional to understand the taxes and penalties that you're paying. It's not just the tax and penalties though, and one should also figure out the future value of what that account could have grown to, also known as the opportunity cost, and how that withdrawal could devastate your retirement. I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.